cuties! Today we're going to draw strawberry cake with syrup on it. So let's get started. Let's start from the base of the cake. So we're going to start from here and come till here. But our shape is not going to be straight, so it's going to be a bit tilty from the top. Yes, like that. And from here, we're gonna come over here. Yes, like that. And from here, we're gonna come this side in a straight line. So come down in a straight line. Not tilty, not bendy, I meant. Okay, now from here to here, we're gonna connect both sides. Like that. Okay. Now let's make, the 3D shape of the, cake. We're gonna make a dot over here so we know. From here, we're gonna connect to this side, but not in a straight line, guys. This is not a perfect cake. Cake's not perfect shape. So it's gonna go something like that. Yes. And from here, we're gonna come down at the spot. So in a straight line, we're gonna come down. Okay, now let us connect this side to this side. But before we connect it in a straight line, we gotta be careful of this side because I said we're gonna make a strawberry cake with syrup on it, so the syrup is going to be on that side. So we're gonna stop over here and then continue from here. Yes, and we connected it. Now we're gonna start from here to this side because a strawberry cake would have strawberry on it, so we're gonna connect it to this side. And from this side to this side, and from this side to this side, it has a bit holes in it, like a little space. So connect it like that. And also we're here. Okay, now let us make the strawberry, and I also want to put blueberries on it. I changed my mind. It's a strawberry plus blueberry plus syrup cake. Syrup's not a fruit. Okay, whatever. Let's make the strawberry shape. Like that. I want to put a blueberry over there, so skip that space and continue making our strawberry. Cute little strawberry. Yes, that's a good shape, I guess. Now let us make the leaves on the strawberry. So one leaf like that, second one, third one, and fourth one. Yes, that looks perfect. Okay, now let's make, the tiny little seeds in the strawberry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 10 would be good. 10 seeds. No, 11 would be good. No, 12. That's a good amount. Okay, now let us make the blueberries. So 1 blueberry over here, a circular shape, and like, you know, blueberries have like the stuff on them, like, okay, yes, like that. And a blueberry over here. That's why we skipped that spot, because the blueberry would be smushed if we just connected that spot. Or if you did connected that spot, you could not just make, you could not make the blueberries on them. It will still look good, but there's another blueberry right over here. A circle and like the stuff that's on the blueberry. Yes. Now it's time for the syrup. So syrup starts from here. Spread around. Don't miss a spot. Syrup. Mr. Syrup. And it's gonna come down from here. Oh, okay. And here. And like a drip. Whoa, eating that cake before dinner would ruin my appetite for dinner. Okay. Syrup. Okay. Now let us, wait, let me connect this. Now let's make, like, it's a 2-layer cake. So we're gonna make a base. That's why I did that, because it's not a perfect cake, It's not a perfect cake. It's not a perfect cake. And I ruined my cake. Let me perfect it, don't worry. Let me double the layer. Okay, that's not too bad, but let's make it on this side. Of course, we won't forget that side. Okay, another layer. As I did over here. Okay, that looks so cute, doesn't it? But one thing's missing. The eyes, of course. Cakes to make alive. I'm gonna make eyes. A big one and a small one. Just kidding. But they're the same size. Okay, that looks a bit scary. The eyes are like that. Now let's make the mouth. Yay! And the eyebrows. But we're not gonna forget the inside of the eye, because if you don't, it's gonna make our cake look creepy. And we don't want that to happen, so... Oh my goodness! It already looks so cute. Okay, let's color in it. I'm done coloring in my one eye, so that's how the second eye would look like. If you color it, now let's start coloring the second eye. Yes, like that. Doesn't that look cute? What if we add eyelashes to it? Let us add eyelashes. I want to make it a girl, not a boy. Oh my goodness, that looks so cute. I really like it. What about you guys? Do you like my picture? Do tell me in the comment section below. And also do tell me what other stuff you want me to make. And Also, thanks for watching my videos. See you again. Bye guys.